Hello everyone. Today I have come up with an amazing topic that will blow your mind. We are diving into the world of satellites and the fascinating concept of weightlessness. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how satellites stay up there without falling down? Or why astronauts float inside their spacecraft? In this video, we'll explore two amazing topics, satellites and the mysterious feeling of weightlessness. Let's dive in. What are satellites? A satellite is an object that moves around a planet in a curved path. The moon is a natural satellite of Earth, but we humans have also made artificial satellites. These are machines we launch into space to do specific jobs like GPS, weather forecasting, TV signals, and spying. Satellites come in many shapes and sizes. Some are as big as a bus, others are as small as a lunchbox. They orbit Earth at different heights depending on their purpose. Now, the question is, how do satellites stay in orbit? Now, you might ask, if satellites are constantly falling towards Earth because of gravity, why don't they crash? So, here's the trick, they are falling but also moving forward very fast. This forward speed balances the pull of gravity. So, instead of hitting the Earth, they keep circling it. This is just like throwing a ball. If you throw it faster and faster, it travels further before hitting the ground. A satellite is like a ball thrown so fast it keeps missing the ground and orbits Earth. So here is the formula that the centripetal force is equal to gravitational force. mv square over r is equal to gmm over r square. This formula shows how speed and gravity balance in orbit, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Now, the next question is, what is weightlessness? Now, let's talk about weightlessness. Why do astronauts float inside a satellite even though gravity is still pulling them? The truth is, gravity doesn't disappear in space. In fact, gravity is what keeps satellites in orbit. Astronauts feel weightless because they and their spacecraft are falling together towards Earth at the same rate. This is called free fall. Since there is no surface pushing back at them, they float. Imagine you are in an elevator and suddenly the cable snaps. You and the elevator would fall together. For a few seconds, you would feel weightless. Not because gravity is gone, but because nothing is pushing against your body. That's what astronauts experience in orbit. They are in continuous free fall, just like that elevator. Since everything inside the spacecraft is falling at the same speed, it looks like they are floating. So satellites do amazing jobs for us every day. Let's look at a few types. First one is the weather satellites. Weather satellites track clouds and predict storms. And the second one is GPS satellites, as they help us navigate using phones or cars. And the third one is communication satellites, as they carry TV, internet, and phone signals. Astronauts in orbit do scientific experiments in zero gravity. They study how fire burns, how plants grow, and how the human body reacts without gravity. Even astronauts must exercise daily to stay healthy because their bones and muscles weaken in weightlessness. So, to sum up, satellites stay in space because they are moving fast enough to balance gravity. They keep falling around the Earth, and astronauts feel weightless because they are in free fall along with their spacecraft. Next time you see a satellite pass by in the night sky or use Google Maps, remember, it's science in action above your head.